morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, April 29, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Teachers, please go ahead and post your attendance. PST, all PST documentation should be current. If you have any students with yearbook money, please send them to see Ms. Smith first thing. There are very few left. I think there's around 15 maybe. Also, today is our last day of students, so please do not send students to the testing area until it has concluded for the day. This Friday, today, will be our last day to test whole group classes. We have just a couple of makeups left, and we are going to be all through with ACAP and rocking that test. Today's late duty is Miss Barnes. Important date. So this week we are finishing up our 4th grade science ACAP. We are also celebrating our administrative professionals all week. That is Miss Wetzel and Miss Antone, and they do a fabulous job in the front office every single day. Next week is Teacher Appreciation Week, where we are celebrate our fantastic teachers. May 2nd is our wellness clinic. May 5th is the DeBakey drug bus for our 5th graders. May 6th is school lunch hero day. May 9th is the SWAT. That's going to be for 4th graders. May 9th through 11th is the iReady reading diagnostic for K through 5. May 10th we'll have vision research on campus. May 11th is our graduation walk at Shepherd for the 2022 MCPSS seniors. May 11th is National School Nurse Day. May 12th is Spring Picnic, May 18th PST, and May 19th Math PLT. We have our end of the year iReady reading diagnostic, May 9th and 10th. We are doing it whole group with kindergarten 1st, 4th, and 5th. Also May 9th, 10th, and 11th in the Collab Lab and Computer Lab, 2nd and 3rd grade will be taking theirs in there. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd.